Mila is going out to, oh, she's happy. She's going to get eggs and feed the chickens. You ready to go see Ethel and Ethel and Ethel and Ethel times 10? Right? We got 10 Ethels. Look at all the chickens, Mila. Oh boy. Go, Ethel. Mila, I need you to fuss at the chickens. That's not enough eggs. We just checked them yesterday. Chickens! Say hey, Mila. Talk to them. Say, y'all better lay more eggs. You're not doing a good job. You talking to them, Mila? Are you in charge of the chickens? All right, Mila. We got some eggs, baby, right? Yeah.